Alright, so today we are going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Off-Whites, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also, song of the day, gonna have to give it to Gosha by Snot. Man, I just discovered Snot probably like a month ago now, and this song is fire. Go listen to it, it's so good, man. And yeah, let's take a look at these Off-Whites. Alright, so we are going to be taking a look at the Off-White 4s, man, and I'm so excited. In case you guys don't know, the Jordan 4 has to be my favorite Jordan model, so to have an Off-White version of it, it's just... It looks so good, man. Let's just spin the box around, show you guys. In case you guys don't know, there's actually plastic right there, so you can't just put your finger right through them. And let's take a look at the size tag. I got a size 10.5 because this is a woman's release, and a 10.5 is a woman's, or is a men's 9. So in case you guys don't know that, yeah, comes in women's sizing. There's rumors that it might come out in men's sizing, but I'm not sure. So I just decided to pick them up. I'm so excited. Let's put that back there. And so you guys can see all the paper. It's not really paper, it's kind of like plastic. It has the Off-White writing, Off-White and Nike. You can see the Jordan brand back there. And yeah, let's just take these out, bro. I'm so excited. The shoe also comes with extra laces as well, so I'll take those out too. Put all this back. In case you guys want to know, these like holes on the lid line up with the holes on the box, so it should seem like that, and that's everywhere. So if it doesn't line up, it's fake, just so you guys don't know. And here, let's put these on the box. Man, these are so nice, bro. Let's spin them around. I actually got mine from Go, and I don't want to talk about pricing. I really just don't want to talk about it. Let's just say I traded in a good amount of shoes to get this. Right now they go for over $1,200, so I'm not proud to say that, but you had to do what you had to do. I traded in a couple things, so it wasn't too bad, but it was kind of bad. It comes with 3 laces, comes with like an Off-White, like creamish white laces, comes with black laces, and it also comes with like a nice baby blue laces, and it actually matches the blue at the bottom, so it goes perfectly with that. Out of all of them, I would either wear these cream laces or these blue laces, maybe even these white like creamish laces too. Like, I feel like those are the only wearable ones. These I don't really see too many people wearing, and if I'm being honest, I don't think it would look too good in the shoe. So yeah, I wouldn't wear the black laces, but all the other ones are amazing. And yeah, let's just get into like the details of this shoe, man, here. So yeah, let's take a look at the Jordan tag, all cream. And something that they actually did was paint this little chain right here, which it's something small, but it's just like an extra little detail that looks amazing. Like, I'm so happy they did that. They didn't have to. They could have just left it silver, and realistically it wouldn't have changed anything about the shoe. But the fact that they actually painted it, like, just shows how much detail they actually put into the shoe. And you have the Off-White tag. It's just a nice cream. You can't really see the words on it, but there are words on this side right here. It says Off-White Co Nike 2020 zip tie. That's what it says. You have the Air right there on the midsole, on that one as well. And here, let's move one of them and just show you it by itself. Nike Air. Air Jordan on the tongue, and obviously you have that exposed foam on the tongue as well, and also on the sides of the shoe. And bro, like, this shoe, they did such an amazing job with this shoe. If the Off-White breads come out, I need those. Like, I will do whatever it takes to get those, man, because these are amazing, and the bread colorway has to be my favorite colorway. So to have an Off-White version of that, it's a must cop. It's a must cop. And this part right here, you could actually pull it back. It's not like stitched in. You can actually see the holes, but it's not stitched. And on the inside, you actually have, you can't really see it too well, but it's actually this material right here. You can kind of see it. Like, it's that material all over this side. It's also the same material that's on the tongue right here. Overall, that material is okay. I kind of wish they did like a different material. That's the only issue, but It's fine on the Off-White 5s. It's fine on the Off-White 1s, Off-White 4s, obviously these. I think those are the only ones that they've done it on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure those are the only ones they've done it on. It's more like I would prefer a different material, but you know, it's fine. That's what I think about it, at least. I know some people just don't like it, and that's why they haven't picked up a couple other Off-Whites, but I don't know. For me, it's kind of like, okay, like, it's whatever. The only problem I do see is that, like, eventually these, like, do start, you know, coming off. I don't know if you can see it. Like, it'll start coming off. It'll start, like, tearing a little bit. It won't be, like, right away. It'll probably take years, but it will happen eventually. And here, let's see. Show you guys the inside. Obviously on the netting it says Off-White and Jordan. Can't really see what the rest of it says, but that's what it does say right there. And these shoes are comfortable. You have the nice little cream insole right there. Let's see if I can show you guys the size tag right there, 10.5. Again, this is women's sizing. Oh, and in case you guys are wondering, you could actually put your finger all the way through here, all the way to like right here. And you could actually touch the netting through here. You can't really see it, but you could actually touch where it starts and everything. And something I do like that they did was make these like clear. Like, I don't really know how it would look like if they did it like cream or like any other color. So I think clear was like the perfect thing to do, especially with the back tab right here. And I know a lot of people don't like this one part right here. They don't like how it's like split. If I'm being honest, I don't know what that black part is. You can't really tell like either. It's just black. So I don't know. I don't know what it is, but for me, it doesn't bother me. I really like it actually. So it's cool. Obviously the tongue right here is a lot more skinnier than like how it would be on a regular Jordan 4 as well. Cream laces obviously say shoelaces. It's tied so you can't really see it all the way. Yeah, there you go. Right here it's exposed foam with the little extra part right here that you can pull back, and it's just that little material on the inside. So I don't know if it's like the inner hypebeast in me or something, but this Jordan 4 material right here on the inside is substantially more soft than like a regular Jordan 4. Like, it's actually crazy. Like, this is gonna be extremely more comfortable. Again, I don't know if it's just me, but it just feels like so much more like soft than a regular Jordan 4. So yeah, that's great, man. Like, especially since you're paying so much for these for resale, like at least they're gonna be comfortable. And yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at these on feet.